Here with Tom Liga, Director of Marketing, OnCube Products. Tom, what can you tell me about new opportunities in residential structural wiring?
Well, Mike, the biggest opportunity residentially that Patterson Seymour is bringing is a complement to our electrical wiring devices. Now is the OnCube product offering that revolves around structured wiring for the home, all low voltage products. We're featuring three key home systems today that let an electrical contractor expand what they're doing in the residential market. For instance, we've got our new multi-room audio system that runs over Cat5 cable, very, very easy to install, and brings whole house sound throughout the home, stereo sound. Next system would be our Category 5 intercom, again, all over Cat5, and this is an intercom system that will allow you to monitor what's going on in the baby's room or to talk to your kids between floors. And then to complement that would be our camera system. For instance, having a closed circuit camera at the front door and see who's there before you answer that door. It's just an added element of safety that electrical contractors and function that electrical contractors can bring to a new home and the builders they're working with.
Well, that sounds like some impressive work with residential structural wiring. Tom,
thanks,
thank
Mike.
you for talking to us.
Thank you.